Danfoss frequency converters and a demand-matched ventilation strategy has resulted in energy savings of up to 78% being recorded for Chester Zoo in England. 55% of the savings are directly attributable to the drives which were installed. Chester Zoo, the UK's #1 charity zoo with 1.3 million visitors each year, cares for over 7,000 animals, representing over 400 different species. The zoo contributes significantly to the protection of these species through a combination of zoo and field-based conservation. The zoo is run by the North of England Zoological Society, and head of maintenance is Ray Morrison. Sarah Bernard, Business Support Danfoss UK, asked him why he initiated this highly successful project.
We initiated the project because we believed that significant saving opportunities existed, financial saving opportunities and associated carbon emissions. Obviously, financial savings are important to any business. At Chester Zoo, as we are a conservation charity associated with animal conservation and biodiversity, the associations with climate change and energy, we also felt it was important to achieve the environmental benefits. Danfoss drives were chosen because we felt that they offered an integrated solution to our requirements. They also offered value, and we were confident of the after-sales service. The overall benefits which have been gained from fitting the plant rooms with variable speed drives are pretty simply all the objectives that we set out for on the project. We've made major energy savings and obviously savings in the carbon emissions associated with energy use. We've also benefited in quieter plant rooms as our motors now run at a slower speed. We've got a noise reduction, so we ticked all the boxes. The penguin exhibit is a filtration plant, so we're looking at a pump application here, and the variable speed drives have given us demand-matched application, demand-matched control. So where previously the plant was commissioned using mechanical valves, which although they satisfy a commissioning process, they don't reduce motor consumption, and we've typically now saved in the order of 55–60% on energy consumption and some £19,000 a year, payback inside 6 months at Penguin exhibit. At the elephants exhibit, we have a heating and ventilation application, so it's a fan application. Again, we've achieved those results, typically in the order of 50%. We've also reduced noise transmission in the heating and ventilation ducting. So again, energy savings, major significant energy savings, reduced carbon emissions, all the benefits we expected we've achieved. Jaguar exhibit really is pretty much identical to the elephants exhibit. It's a heating and ventilation system, and the energy savings in there have typically been those mentioned at the elephants exhibit, somewhere in the order of 50 through to 60–70%.
All in all, how easy were Danfoss drives to install and commission?
The drives were very easy to install. If we take the penguin exhibit, for instance, they were pretty much almost plug and play. The JBC installers came in and worked with our own site engineers, and the units where the installation was completed comfortably inside a day. The long-term implications, benefits for installing the Danfoss variable speed drives are that we've had a major financial saving and a major reduction in carbon emissions. These have satisfied the requirements of our stakeholders, of our zoo governing council, of our visitors' expectations. This allows obviously funds to be reinvested in energy conservation and generally in the zoo's conservation mission.